So in this video, I wanted to walk you guys through one of my most recent designs. I had a client come in and she wanted to have a bodysuit created for her performance that she was going to be doing in her very own wedding. So I kind of thought about this viral video from a couple of years ago where the bride did her own performance and tried to see how we can sort of introduce some of those elements from this performance into what the client wanted based on her colors and her scheme. So I'm going to walk you guys through how I created that design. First, we start off with the sketch. To save some time and money, the bride decided to go with a pre-made bodysuit that she purchased from a local boutique retail. Here you can see that I drafted the pattern for the skirt. After some fabric searching, I got some fabric that I thought would complement the bodysuit and cut that pattern with the fabric. Okay, this is what it looks like after I've sewn everything together and also added in some horsehair underneath to give it some extra volume. So this is what it looks like, completely plain. Now the bridal has a pastel themed wedding, so she wanted to have these pastel lace appliques put on the bodysuit. So you can see I'm sort of like playing around with it, trying to get the right amount. When it's all done, it takes over 20 hours to get all the appliques on the front and the back of the dress to get this look. And this is what it looks like. Okay, it's totally on target with what she wanted. It's glamorous, and as you can see, she is very happy with the results, and hopefully I'll be uploading a video soon with her dancing at her wedding. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. Videos are uploaded weekly covering dressmaking, fashion, lectures, and more. Enroll in LAIDIECLOTH U on Teachable for dressmaking and fashion design courses. See you again soon.